Welcome to the Hillbilly Hoarder. This evening we're back out here at the building. We brought the deer out some treats. We brought them some corn. We brought them some sweet feed. We brought them some apples. We'd like to thank Janet and Erica for the apples. They also love these fur babies. And this is Buck. He's sharpening his skills, I guess. Fighting with that brush pile. Looks like he's got some brush caught on his antlers now. Oh, he's wanting to look like he's got a big rack. It's funny. Now he's got that caught on him. There he goes. This is Gilligan. He just went over and laid down. They like that taller grass right there. It's cooler, I guess. Like I say, they like laying in it. There's one of the triplets. That's a little button buck triplet right there. And there's this little, what's this little doe, how tame she is. I say this is one of the triplets. Hey baby, come here. So what do you think of that? And this doe right here, that's one of the triplets from 5 years ago. That same doe had a set of triplets 5 years ago, and she just had a set of triplets this spring. Well, thank you for watching. We really appreciate the support, and we hope that you have a great weekend.